And Varandala present over here.
Today we both are standing in front of you all
to present our presentation
on the topic Python.
Let us introduce ourselves.
This is D. Shivakrishna.
I am K. Gautam.
We both belong to Nellore.
Currently pursuing creator of Python, Guido Van Rossum.
These are the contents which we are going to cover in our presentation. What is Python? Why is Python popular? Features of the Python.
Variables, data types, operators,
and code execution. What is Python?
Python is a high-level programming language. Certain examples of high-level programming languages: C++, Perl, Java, etc.
Python is a general-purpose programming language that is often applied scripting rules.
So, Python programming language as well as scripting language.
That is why it can also be called as interpreted language.
Difference between a program and scripting language.
Programming language. It is a compiled language or compiler-based language. Means it has to be first compiled and then it is being running in program. It is used to develop an application from software from scratch. For example, C, C++, etc.
Scripting. It is an interpreted language or interpret based language. For example, program తీసుకుంటే మన సోర్స్ కోడ్ ని మనమే కంపైల్ చేసుకొని మనమే రన్ చేసుకోవాలి. అదే స్క్రిప్టింగ్ లో మన సోర్స్ కోడ్ ని ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ ద్వారా అదే రన్ చేసి మనకు అవుట్పుట్ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. What is Python popular?
The first and foremost reason why Python is popular is solve complex problem in less time with fewer lines of code. Here is the example why Python need less line. Here we can see there are 4 lines. Same program we written in 2 lines.
We did not define a data type or to our variable.
According to the given value to the variable itself decides its data type. There are other reasons. Python is a high-level language,
Huge community,
cross-platform,
large ecosystem.
It is a high-level language, so we do not have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management like in C++.
Huge community, as Python is easy to learn and simple to understand, and it has a huge community.
We can build same program in different cross-platform like Linux, Windows, Mac, etc.
Large ecosystem means it contains large ecosystem of libraries, frames, and tools. We use the tools in the Python language. We feel that we have already used it.
There are features of Python. The first feature is simplicity. Python is very easy to use, simple to understand, so any beginner can learn Python in very short span of time.
Open source means anybody can use Python and open for all.
Portability. Python does not need to change its code while executing in different platforms like cross-platform in Windows, Mac, Linux, etc.
Embeddable and extensible means we can use any other language in a Python source code. Example C and C++, etc.
Programming language and scripting language, so it can be called as interpreted language.
Huge library means it contains 137,000 libraries in Python source code.
As object can be created in Python and classes can be created in Python, so Python is also an object-oriented programming language.
Data types.
Data types are the classification or categorization of data. There are some data types in Python. Numerical data types are the number data types, which is integer and float.
Sequence data type means it stores multiple values in sequential order.
Boolean data type, it returns result in true or false.
Set data type means it stores multiple values in single object.
Dictionary, it stores the data in unordered, it is mutable and etc. Here are the example of data types.
Variables in Python, creating a variable.
Here we have created a variable and again we have assigned a new value to same variable. Operators in Python. Operators perform different type of operations to manipulate data. Here are some of the operators in Python. Arithmetic operator,
Assignment operator,
comparison operator,
logical operator,
bitwise operator,
identity operator,
membership operator. We all are aware of all of these operators except two: identity operator and membership operator.
Identity operator means it contains two operators. One is a is operator, another one is not operator. Is operator means returns true when both variables have same object. Is not operator means returns true if both variables has not same object.
Membership operator contains two operators, in operator, in not operator. In operator just look the element whether it is present in object or not. If the element is present, then it returns true. If not present, it returns false. And same with in not operator. If the element is not present in the object, then it returns true. And if the element is present in the object, then it returns false.
Loops in Python.
There are three different types of loops in Python: while loop, for loop, nested loop. While loop executes the statement until the condition is true. While loop execute at least one time even if the condition is false.
For loop, execute multiple statements until given condition is true or satisfied.
Nested loop is nothing but a loop inside another loop is nested loop.
Python code execution is the source code. First source code అనేది సేవ్ డాట్ py తో సేవ్ అవుతుంది. దాని తర్వాత కంపైల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మన ఆ సోర్స్ కోడ్ డాట్ py సేవ్ తో కంపైల్ అయ్యి బైట్ కోడ్ గా మారుతుంది. సో పైథాన్ వర్చువల్ మిషన్ బైట్ కోడ్ ని రన్ టైం చేసి మనకి అవుట్పుట్ గా డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది.
Execution is nothing but first we have to write down the code and save the file with the extension .py. Then when we are executing that file, then Python convert that file with creates a new file with the extension .pyc, and we have to open the command from open the file location and type Python space and the file name with extension .py. Then we have to enter the input and we get our output. That's it.
These are the reference links. If you have any doubts and check out the links, you get information.
Conclusion: Python is very easy to use and user friendly language. It is the popular programming language among all the other programming languages with lots of libraries, approximately 137,000, and which sets already used, which help the user to program and which eliminates the mode of. Thank you sir for giving us this opportunity. Scope, it helps us to do programming. We should choose Python because there are a lot of libraries which makes our work easy. మనం వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో చేసే పని వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో 10 లైన్స్ లో చేసే పని దీంట్లో 2 లైన్స్ లో చేయొచ్చు.